Hi, I'm Rahul Joshi. In an earlier video, we built a persistent AI chat assistant in n8n. It used Telegram, Google Sheets, AI agent, and memory to remember past conversations even after the workflow restarted. But there's one problem. If the Google Sheets call fails, or the AI agent times out, or the conversation log does not save, the workflow can fail silently. The user sends a message and gets nothing back. So in this video, we'll fix that by adding proper error handling to the same workflow. We'll add retries, fallback responses for the user, and a separate Telegram alert for the workflow owner. Before we add error handling, here's what the original workflow does. A message comes in from Telegram. Then we pull the user's past conversation history from Google Sheets. After that, we format the history and send it into the AI agent. The AI agent uses the previous history along with memory to generate the reply. Then we log the new conversation turned back into Google Sheets. Finally, the response is sent back to the user on Telegram. The important thing is this: three parts of this workflow depend on outside services: Google Sheets, the AI agent, and Google Sheets again, and any one of them can fail. Step 1. Telegram trigger. We start with Telegram trigger. This node listens for new Telegram messages. Whenever a user sends a message, this workflow starts. Step 2. Get conversation history. Next, click Get Conversation History. This node reads the user's past chat history from Google Sheets. Since it depends on an external service, this is one of the places where failure can happen. Step 3. Format history. Next, click Format History. This prepares the previous messages in the right format for the AI agent. We are not changing this node because it is an internal formatting step. Step 4. AI agent. Now click AI agent. This node generates the chatbot's reply. Because AI calls can time out or fail, we need error handling here too. Step 5. OpenAI chat model. Under the AI agent, we have OpenAI chat model. This is the model provider connected to the AI agent. We are not changing it directly in this video. Step 6. Simple memory. Next is simple memory. This gives the AI agent short-term memory during the conversation. This node also stays the same. Step 7. Log conversation turn. Now click Log conversation turn. This saves the latest user message and AI response back into Google Sheets. Since this is another external service call, it also needs error handling. Step 8. Telegram send answer. Next is Telegram send answer. This is the normal success path. If everything works, the AI response goes back to the user here. Step 9. Notify error to user. Now add notify error to user. Connect the error paths from get conversation history, AI agent, and log conversation turn into this node. If anything fails, this sends the user a simple fallback Telegram message. That's the difference between a demo workflow and a production-ready workflow. The chatbot still uses the same Telegram trigger, Google Sheets history, AI agent, memory, and response flow. But now it fails gracefully. If an external service fails, the workflow retries first. If it still fails, the user receives a fallback message, and if the workflow itself breaks, the owner gets a Telegram alert with the error details. So instead of silent failure, you get visibility, reliability, and a much better user experience. Comment errors and I'll send you this updated workflow. And if you're building automations that need to work in the real world, come join the school community. Link is below. See you in the next one.